Hello guys, so today I have here a Isuzu Dmax 1.9 with Euro 5 emission standard. So today I'm gonna do a power upgrade for this one. The package I'll do for this one will be K&N air filter, the full exhaust system with DPF delete, and after that I'm gonna do a ECU remapping. So before I begin, I'm gonna run a dyno test to take the stock power, and then after I put all the stuff in, I'm gonna run the dyno again and see how much it's got. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so we have the full exhaust system with the DPF delete installed, and the ECU has been reflashed. So now I'm gonna run the dyno run again to see how much power it's got. Okay guys, so here's the result. With the stock car we have 116 wheel horsepower, 220 Newton meter. After putting full exhaust system and ECU tune, I turn off the DPF and the EGR. So here's the result. We got 145 wheel horsepower, 429 Newton meter. So roughly it's gained about almost 30 wheel horsepower and 110 Newton meter. So you can see the torque coming very sharp and higher than original. So bring more excited in driving. Okay, so this is it. Thank you for watching.